Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
IBM Back-End Development Lecture 8. IBM Back-End Development. Why API integration is essential for modern businesses integrate with external apps and services. Consuming and providing data through RESTful APIs. Handling data formats e.g. JSON, XML error handling and exception management. Conclusion. Embracing API integration for business success. Why API integration is essential for modern businesses. In today's fast-paced and highly competitive business landscape, companies need to be able to adapt quickly to changing market conditions and customer demands. One way to achieve this is through API integration, which allows businesses to connect their systems and applications with external apps and services. Integrating with external apps and services. Integrating with external apps and services can be a complex process, but it is essential for modern businesses to stay competitive. The first step is to identify APIs that align with your business goals and needs. This can include apps for payment processing, social media integration, or even weather data. Once you have identified the apps you want to use, the next step is to obtain API keys and credentials. This will allow you to access APIs and begin integrating them into your systems. It is important to follow best practices for API security and authentication to protect your business and customer data. Consuming and providing data through RESTful APIs. RESTful apps are a popular choice for consuming and providing data due to their flexibility, scalability, and ease of use. They allow developers to access resources and manipulate data using standard HTTP methods, making it easy to integrate with different systems and platforms. When designing and implementing RESTful apps, it is important to follow certain guidelines to ensure consistency and maintainability. This includes using resource-oriented tools, providing clear documentation, and leveraging caching and versioning strategies. Handling data formats e.g. JSON, XML. JSON and XML are both data interchange formats used in API integration. JSON is a lightweight format that is easy to read and write, making it popular for web applications. It uses a key value pair structure and can represent complex data structures. XML, on the other hand, is a markup language that uses tags to define elements and attributes to define properties. It is more verbose than JSON, but has better support for data validation and schema definition. Error handling and exception management. Effective error handling and exception management are critical components of any API integration strategy. When integrating with external apps and services, it's important to anticipate potential errors and exceptions that can occur and have a plan in place for handling them. This includes defining clear error codes and messages, providing detailed documentation for developers, and implementing robust testing and monitoring processes to catch errors before they impact end users. Conclusion. Embracing API integration for business success. In conclusion, API integration is essential for modern businesses to stay competitive and achieve success in today's fast-paced business landscape. By integrating with external apps and services, businesses can leverage the power of existing technologies and streamline their operations, leading to improved efficiency and cost savings. Using RESTful apps for consuming and providing data can further enhance these benefits by providing a standardized and scalable approach to data exchange. It is also important to handle data formats and errors effectively to ensure seamless integration and minimize disruptions to business processes.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.